was a lot of fun organizing DrupalCamp Berlin, and I'm so grateful for all the different communities coming together in Berlin and celebrating Drupal.
It's so great to be here in Berlin for the Drupal camp, seeing how well it's organized and seeing how keen are people and the community getting together.
It was really an honor for the user group to support the realization of the Drupal camp in Berlin 10 years after the last camp in Berlin took place. There always was the wish to make some event like that happen again.
And after all this work, to see that 160 people attended, it just feels awesome. We really enjoyed to organize and celebrate Drupal at this camp here in Berlin, and are very proud to be able to sponsor it.